Turkmenistan's unique and diverse culture has developed over many centuries. The great Eastern poet Matumune once wrote, "His heart rejoices as he mounts his horse." That is how he proudly praised the Halteke horse, the symbolic wings of the Turkmen people, in the lines of his poems. The illustrious coat has earned them the affectionate nickname Golden Horses. They have evolved to withstand extreme climates, which is why they are thought to be among the oldest horse breeds still in existence. Another symbol of our national identity is the alabais, the larger-than-life Turkmen sheepdog. These loyal guardians symbolize the kinship between the Turkmen people and our ancient pastoral traditions. During the spring and autumn, shepherds skillfully shear wool. Matumune Prague was also inspired by the fertile soil of Turkmen land. Flowers of many hues open on his green summer pastures, drenched in the scent of basil, the desert of the Turkmen. Not only providing food and medicine, the land is also used for comfort and creativity, for example, through weaving and dyeing. During the spring and autumn, farmers expertly shear their sheep. This wool can be blended with natural dyes to create precious Turkmen carpets. Passed down from mothers to daughters across generations, the ancient art of carpet weaving has put Turkmen carpets on the global map, also earning recognition from UNESCO and Guinness World Records. The Halteke horses, the alabais, and Turkmen carpet all embody essential elements of our national identity. These symbols reflect the intrinsic beauty of our country, Turkmenistan.